The Jamaica Constabulary Force and the Ministry of Health dispel rumors about a U.S. citizen being held against her will. The U.S. citizen then insists that she was telling the truth and promised to take legal action. All of that and more coming up.
Fuck alone. Keep it moving. Record anything you want to record. Feel free. Feel free, because she's a mess. She's disgusting.
Piece of shit like business for hours and y'all want to come follow people.
The nerve of you. Sunday morning, the nerve of you. You don't have no kind of dignity or no kind of respect.
Sorry.
Disgusting woman like you. You want to put on the shop and give it a fucking show you want.
Yeah. Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
Reports of foreign national being kidnapped false. The police are advising members of the public to dismiss as rumor information that has been circulated via social media and other media that American national Kalina Collier was kidnapped in Jamaica. The police assert the information is baseless and mischievous. On arrival in Jamaica, Collier, who was tested positive for COVID-19 virus, was placed in isolation. This is in keeping with Jamaica's COVID-19 prevention protocol as stipulated by the Ministry of Health and Wellness. She remains in isolation and awaits medical clearance to be able to travel back home. In the meantime, representatives from the Ministry of Health and Wellness, the Jamaica Tourist Board, and the local police have been in contact with her mother, who subsequently arrived in Jamaica. She was visited by the local police on Saturday, February 13, and she is not, nor was she at any time in any danger. The police are therefore warning persons to deceased from sharing social media posts claiming Collier was being kidnapped, as sharing false information can constitute an offense under the law. The United States Embassy responds to call for action over Collier's fake kidnapping story. The United States Embassy in Jamaica say it is aware of reports of a U.S. citizen who had recently traveled to Jamaica and claimed to be held against her will. In a statement today, the embassy said it was unavailable to release any information about Collier without her consent. After the Jamaica Constabulary Force dismissed those rumors, she then took it to Instagram, arguing that the rumors are indeed true. In a lengthy social media post, she said, "To everyone that have been following up my story and giving genuine support, I appreciate it. I have said a long time ago that I was never missing, nor was I kidnapped. I've tried to stay silent because this is something that will be handled legally and because the response to my situation was completely overwhelming. Following my negative COVID test, the hotel proceeded to cover their tracks once word got out and forced me to stay at the resort for the remainder of my quarantine. Every single day, I was arrested by the hotel to make a statement, to save face for them, to basically make it seem like everything I said was a lie. I am here to say that nothing I said on my live was a lie. These people will say anything to save face. They leaked the phone number of my friends who were on the trip with me, as well as my mother's. I understand that I went live and reached out for help, but my story is now beginning to be told for me, and I won't have that. I have said multiple times publicly that I was not missing. They sent the police to me at the resort to try and intimidate me into making a statement for a resort that wronged me from the beginning. When we arrived at the airport, a lady named Odette Diary, who is a part of Jamaican tourism, who has been harassing my mother and I every single day, approached us after following us to the airport and demanded a statement. After we have told her no over 30 times, she proceeded to take unwarranted photos of my mother and I. She was trying to force me to say that my life was fake. My family and friends were harassed by numerous trolls and disgusting sick people on the internet. I know my truth and I don't need approval of anyone on here or anywhere. The proof is in the pudding and I have nothing further to say on this situation. For those who were actually concerned, thank you. This was the video of a heated conversation at the airport before she departed today, February the 14th.
Fuck alone. Keep it moving. Record anything you want to record. Feel free. Feel free, because she's a mess. She's disgusting.
We can't mind our business for hours and y'all want to come follow people.
The nerve of you. Sunday morning, the nerve of you. You don't have no kind of dignity or no kind of respect.
Sorry.
Disgusting woman like you. Oh, you want to put on the shop and give it a fucking show you won. Come out of my face.
Excuse me.
I don't have to get no police. We were minding my... I'm here minding my business. No, let me talk to her. She's a police.
No, but why are they coming to us? We were just minding
my business. This lady over there is harassing us.
Why are we being harassed? Ask the man we asked her we're trying to leave. Why are you bothering me?
What you
want? No,
don't say nothing more, Kalina. Leave it alone. We are not in business to say to come sign us wherever we are standing. That's not right. Who the hell are you?
Jano, people, tell me in the comment section one have to say about this. One have to say about the whole incident. In my opinion, she was being mischievous. Because if you come to Jamaica and anywhere around the world, you go right now and you're test positive for COVID-19, you're going to have to stay in isolation for whenever time you take for recover, you're going to have to stay in. So don't come to Jamaica and think say it's going to be different. No, it's not different. You have to stay in the hotel. And to my knowledge, the hotel that she was stayed in for the extra days, she didn't pay $1. She didn't pay a cent. And if she was a regular Jamaican citizen, definitely they would have to pay or go back at them yard or something like that. Understand? So I mean, I don't know. But people, tell me in the comment section what you think about this whole topic. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My gone.